Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your pet to Rover. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your pet to Rover. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the app. Next, click on your pets on the bottom hand corner. Next, click on add a new pet. Then let's go ahead and update pet photo. Click on media library or take a new photo. And we're going to use this photo here. Now it's going to ask you what type of pet, then it's going to ask you the name, then its weight, then it's going to also ask you the age, and then also enter the breed. So if your dog is a mixed breed, just add mixed as well. So we're just going to say mixed and then also say that she's a terrier, and then we'll do a fox terrier, click on apply. And then we're going to say it's microchipped, spayed or neutered, house trained, friendly with children, depends. Then it's going to ask you for additional details and about your pet. And we'll just do test, then click on save. We'll do test, click on save, test, and click on save. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your pet to Rover. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.